a jerk. I don't believe it. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's very nice. Oh, Ben, you are classy. You think it's funny? I thought so. Hi, baby. Hi. You are soaked. Oh, man. Yeah? Ooh, that's nice. Oh, buddy. Oh, hi, baby. Oh, man, Ben. You proud of yourself? Yeah. I thought so. When do you think your daddy's gonna get home? Yeah? Soon? You think so? Yeah? He wants to take you to flirt with your girlfriends. Uh-oh. Nellie, are you gonna clean the baby up? Hey, you. Wipe up. Gonna clean that mess up, you think? Ooh, look, that's beautiful. Here you go. Here you go. That's for you. Wipe your face. Yeah! Wipe your face. Here. Try it with both hands. Nope. That's not exactly what I meant. Here you go. Here you go. Sit back. Go. Clean that mess up. You look like a partied out frat boy. You gonna wipe your face? No, you gonna eat your frogs? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. Are you drunk? You wasted? Yeah? Good Lord, buddy. Yeah. I know. What a good man. Oh, no. Hi. Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah. Good boy. Look at you go. Yeah? No way. Really? Are you angry? Are you angry? Are you an angry drunk? Benjamin. Ben. Yeah? Hi. Hi, Peanut. Uh-oh. You get him, Nellie. You get him. Is that your daddy? Nope, must not be daddy. There's the daddy indicator. Yeah? Hi. You didn't wipe your face. You're so... Yeah, you're weird. You're a weird baby. Yeah. Uh-oh. Are you sick of the play center? Are you sick of it? Yeah? Oof. Hi, Nellie. You sick of it? Yeah. You all done? You all played out?